Welcome to the third video by Phil Corey Web Design. So far in our videos, you've learned how to log in and manage your domain names and email accounts for your website. Now I want to show you how to make some simple adjustments. The first thing you need to do after you log in is click on this website tab and then go to your page list. After you get to your page list, you're going to find the short page names down the left hand side, and you're going to click on the name of the page that you want to edit. So for instance, I'm going to click on the home. That's going to take me to the home page. It's going to load the actual home page, and here you can see it looks just like my website, but as I scroll over certain areas, it's going to allow me to click on these areas and make these adjustments that I want to make. So the first adjustment is going to be a text adjustment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on some text. And you can see it quickly loads in line and shows me the adjustments that I'm making. So the first adjustment I want to make is I want to say that you can sign up today and get your first 6 months of web hosting free. After I'm done adjusting that information, I can just click on the Save button in my format bar, and you'll notice here in the format bar you have everything that you need. It looks just like, for instance, Microsoft Word. So if you want to make if you want to make some text bold, you can just highlight it and click on bold, and you can see that it made it just slightly larger than the rest of the text. Or if you want to change the size of that text, you can go in and you can change the font size to be whatever it is you want it to be. For right now, we're going to leave it right there, and we'll click on Save, and you can see that it saved my changes, and it says that the first 6 months of web hosting are free. Free is bold, and it's slightly larger than the rest of the text. So very simple to go in to any page, roll over what are called these rich text elements, just click on them and make those adjustments to the information. Now, the key thing to remember here is that you have this entire website that you can make adjustments on, but you're not going to necessarily need to always make changes to the layout and the actual design of the page. We do have a design team. We have a whole design center that I'm going to be going over in another video, which will help you do those major site changes. So if you want your entire website to look different, we can handle that for you. And that's really what's key here, I think, in this area. Is that you can go in, you can make adjustments. You don't have to worry about the major site changes, but you can do these simple tasks like changing text and editing, things like that. So in the next video, what we're going to show you is how to add some things to your page. We're going to go over adding forms, images, add Flash video, so if you want to upload a video to your website, photo gallery, and widget, and you can get in here and play with these things on your own. So there's this add to page button here, and like I said, in future video we're going to go over all of the functions underneath this, but for our purposes right now, we just want to go over how to make these edits to rich text. So when you're done and you've changed all the text, you're going to want to click on Save, and that's going to actually save the changes that you've made to your website. So what's happening here is it's saving it in the back end where you're logged in, but it's not actually showing those changes on the web right now. So after you click Save, you've just saved the work. But then when you're happy with it, let's say you make adjustments to multiple websites, or multiple pages. If you go back out into your page list, we've saved that page, and you can see that it's modified, but it hasn't been published yet. So you can go in, you can edit more pages, and then when you're done, you save those pages, and finally you can come up here and click on Publish Website. And that's actually going to take those changes and move them onto the web. So again, we are a complete website solution. You don't need to make those large adjustments, and those simple adjustments are going to allow you that day-to-day control. So the other thing is if you are advanced, you can perform those more advanced adjustments. You can change everything without the need to use our design team. So you don't actually need to call or get in touch with them to have a design put in place for you. So that's it for this video. Again, it's just very basic how to edit and adjust text, save those changes and publish them to the web. So if you have any questions, as always, you can get in touch with us, send us an email, or give us a call, and we will be happy to help you.